Protecting baseboards, trim, and adjacent walls during tile removal starts with a clear plan to avoid extra repairs or repainting later. Begin by prying off baseboards carefully using a thin pry bar and a putty knife to protect the wall surface beneath, loosening nails a little at a time rather than forcing a long pull which can crack plaster or drywall. If you cannot remove trim because of painted joints or tenant restrictions, cover the trim and wall with 2 layers of 6mm plastic sheeting taped with low-tack painter tape and add an overlapping flap to catch flying debris. Work away from the wall by starting demolition at the center of the room and use a floor scraper or chisel at a shallow angle to minimize strikes toward the wall. Keep the tool motion parallel to the edges rather than perpendicular. Where nails or staples hold the underlayment near the wall, cut them flush with a rotary cutter or nail puller to prevent them from snagging new flooring later. For corners and door casings, protect vertical surfaces with foam corner guards or folded cardboard secured with painter tape to absorb impacts and prevent paint chips. Finally, label and store any removed trim pieces on a flat surface and clean residual adhesive from the back of baseboards with a gentle solvent so they can be reinstalled without extra sanding or finishing. Common mistakes are prying without protecting the drywall, which leads to gouges and extra patching. Avoid this by using a wide putty knife behind the pry bar and pulling slowly. Another issue is working toward the wall, which creates flying chips and damages the paint. Always remove tile from the field first and preserve edges by using shallow tool angles near walls. A third problem is failing to mark and store trim pieces, so reinstalling becomes a guessing game. Place each piece in order on a labeled flat sheet and lightly sand and clean them before reinstalling to get tight seams and save time. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and shows project ideas that relate to protecting room edges during demolition. We host a discussion community where we share tips and experiences, and we help contractors find work by connecting them with homeowners looking for skilled help.